What's up, guys? All right, just a quick tour. The bathroom. Hi, guys. Go like that. This is me. This is our beds for the night. 2 beds. Very comfortable, this bed. And yeah, you got a small sitting area down there. And amazing views, of course. This is what you're paying for. It's around 130 euros for a night, including breakfast, which is good. And you got your swimming area down there, and it's not that busy today, so you can always get a swim. I just came from down there from a good swim. And then here you got a like small working area, fridge, nothing in it. You get 2 bottles of water. That's me up there. TV, but who uses TV anyways? And yeah, that's the exit. All right, guys. Oh yeah, you got a small room here just to keep your jacket. You got an ironing board back here. Yeah, there we go. And that's the toilet. Big toilet. And you also got like a lane. Oh my God. All right, that's the toilet. Catch you guys on the next one. This is the room, my first room in Dubai. Goodbye for now. I'm heading off to the airport again. Catch you guys on the next one. And don't forget, guys, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Peace.